Hi guys, this is Jason with Hydrodeck Marine Flooring again. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to install your Hydrodeck on your boat.
For the install, you will need a sharp razor blade and a roller. In the video, we use a large laminate roller that can be purchased at your local hardware store. Begin by splitting the backing paper with your razor blade right down the middle. Be careful not to cut all the way through into the adhesive. Then butterfly the backing paper on either side. This will allow you to float the material over the flooring without it being stuck. Once you have the material correctly in place, lightly tack down the center. Lightly lift up on one side of the material. Begin to pull the backing paper out. With your opposite hand, smooth gently as you pull the backing paper. Be sure to check your gaps in between the pieces to make sure they are even. Once all our pieces are stuck, now we're going to use our roller. Starting at the middle of each piece, work your way out. And last but not least, be sure to roll every edge firmly.